Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Dutch braid messy bun. First, you want to start off by making a part down the middle, down to the crown, and then you want to make two small ponytails as I'm showing here. Once you have your two ponytails sectioned off, then you want to grab the remaining hair and just put it in a pony or grab it with a clip just so that it's out of the way. Now we're going to start working on your first section. I am just spraying down the hair just so it's a little bit damp and it's easier to work with. And this is where I'm going to be making my first Dutch braid. So a Dutch braid is pretty much a French braid, braided in reverse. So rather than braiding your strands of hair on top, you're going to be braiding them under. So here you can see that I'm still adding in hair just like a French braid, but I'm just putting the strands of hair under rather than adding over my braid. Alright, so now I'm just going to braid it out a little bit ways down. And here I am just fluffing out the braid just so it can show a little bit more dimension to your braid and so it can give it that messy hair look. So there you have it. Here's the first Dutch braid. And now I'm just going to do the same to the other section so we can have two Dutch braids. I have braided both sides and now I have my two Dutch braids and I have flared them both out. So the way that I will be creating the messy buns is by doing 3 messy buns down the bottom so that way it can create one big bun. So all I'm doing is doing 3 sections, and then in the braids I'm just sectioning them off and separating the hair into the 3 so that way it just looks a lot even. So here you can see I have 1, 2, and 3 sections. So what I'm doing here is just looping her hair through just to create a messy bun. So I will be doing that with all 3 sections. Now I will be using some bobby pins and just shaping out the messy buns a little bit more and pinning them down so that way they look more flared out and messy. Okay, we are done. We have added our Dutch braids, our messy buns, and this is our final look. Thanks so much for watching.